Okay, we got about 2 inches here. It's almost 2 o'clock. There's the snow in my daughter's car. Take a walk down the main street. Little neighborhood kid. There's the Butlers. I grew up with Tom Butler in the old Deer Hollow neighborhood in Toms River. I used to own that house right there, that blue one. This is Broad Street. And that's Main Street down there. That's an old house of mine. That was built in like 1886. McKelvey's from McKelvey's Bar used to own it. This is the King's old house. They passed away. Now it's owned by a cop. This house here is owned by the guy who owns the River Lady, the riverboat on the Toms River. That's that bed and breakfast, Victoria on Main. I think this used to be the governor's house or something like that, when the old governors were some sort of politician back in the day. And that's Main Street. Not much traffic at all. There's a Victoria on Main sign. And this is Main Street. Looks like they threw down some sand. Not much traffic. And this is Main Street. So we got about a couple of inches of snow here. I'm at the corner of Broad and Main. I don't know if you can read that sign. Going back home.